Tired of working your 9 to 5 job that barely pays any bills? What if I told you there is one tool that helps you control, track, and grow your entire online business together? And it could change everything. So in today, the part 17 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner, we are going to see the tool which is called Optin Dojo, the tracking tool that is going to be the brain of our entire affiliate marketing business. And especially if you're going to use solo ads as your traffic to grow your email list. Now, there is a famous advice from this billionaire entrepreneur, Mark Cuban. Don't find yourself wishing you started sooner. Just start. So don't wait to figure it out all at the beginning. So just start. You can all figure it out on the way to build your business together. What is Optin Dojo? Now, Optin Dojo is an all-in-one tracking tool. And if you're using solo ads, and you should, this one tool is going to tell you where your email clicks are coming from and who is subscribing to your list, who is buying your offers, and where you are making your money. And this one thing is going to be very important. Think of it like an online business command center. So let me explain you more clearly. So if you see this diagram over here, you can see that Optin Dojo is the central command system, which is going to be integrated with your affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus, Explodely, ClickBank. And also it's going to be integrated with your email autoresponder, AWeber and Getresponse. And also you integrate Optin Dojo with your funnel builder, which is Leadpages. So it acts as the central command system. To help you know more about the entire process flow, where Optin Dojo is going to help in every touch point of your business, let me show you the process flow so you will understand it. So if you're watching this and still haven't subscribed to this channel, then here's the truth. You're risking your time, money, and effort by missing the key steps in this system. Every video in this tutorial series is a puzzle piece, and skip one, the whole picture won't make you any sense. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. So coming back to this process flow diagram. So if you have not watched this, you can always watch out the part 2 of this tutorial series to get more idea about it. So here you can see this solo ads is our traffic source, and from there it's directed to the squeeze page. And then if you want, you can add a bridge page if you're promoting a high ticket offer, and this is going to be controlled by the Leadpages. And here it's directly taken to the sales offer page. And once the person opts into your squeeze page, it is automatically added to your email autoresponder, which is going to be AWeber and Getresponse. And then from the back end, you're going to promote the sales offer, either the same offer or you're going to promote a different offer. And once the person buys from here, he is going to move into a buyer C email list, which is going to be a low ticket offer. And from then you're going to promote the mid ticket offers to build the buyers list B, and then high ticket offer to build your buyers list A. So Optin Dojo is going to be at every touch point in this entire affiliate marketing business. So you are going to insert 2 tracking pixels into your squeeze page, which is in the Leadpages software. So, and also you're going to insert 2 tracking links inside your email automation and email broadcast. And also you're going to insert your webhook IP URL from Optin Dojo into your affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus or Explodely. And it will tell you whenever there is a sale, then Warrior Plus or Explodely or ClickBank will automatically send you a message or email that tells that you have got commissions. So that's why Optin Dojo is going to be an important tool that is going to integrate our entire affiliate marketing business. And also Optin Dojo will automatically move the buyers from the raw list, from the original list, to the buyers list C. And similarly, when they make a sale again, they are going to move from this buyers list C to the buyers list B. And all this will be done by Optin Dojo automatically. You don't need to do anything manual. So let me get straight to Optin Dojo dashboard. And in this video, I'm going to show you the generically, like what is the major features that are going to help you in your affiliate marketing business. But before that, if you're not signed up for Optin Dojo yet, then you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below. So there is no free trial. You have to pay to use it. So this is the Optin Dojo dashboard. And once you sign up, it looks like this. And over here, you can see the tracking links, funnels, traffic sources, custom domains, and tools. Mostly we'll be using this tracking links, funnels, and traffic sources in our affiliate marketing business. And over here, you can click on this tracking links, and you can see the different tracking links that I have created in my affiliate marketing business, and funnels. What are the funnels that I have created over here, and traffic sources. So what are the traffic sources? So once you come over here, you can go to the funnels. So let me create a funnel over here, add a new funnel. So the funnel is not the same funnel which you see in our Leadpages or the funnel building software. This funnel is a bit different. So I'm just going to give a funnel name over here, YouTube. And here you can see this, your opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, your event manager, and all this stuff I'm going to explain in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. And over here you can see the default destinations. So you can see that you under your opt-in pages, you will enter your squeeze page URL over here. You can get that squeeze page URL from Leadpages, which we have built earlier. And over here you can give the name as squeeze page. And after that, you can come over here and click on the save funnel. So once you save the funnel, you can see these two scripts over here. One is the HTML script and the new lead redirect script. So we are going to use that HTML script and new lead redirect over here inside this squeeze page. So I will explain that in the upcoming videos. And also you have got the email tracking setup for tracking the emails. So from here we will get the tracking links, 2 tracking links to be inserted inside your email automations and email broadcast in AWeber and Getresponse. That's it. You have just started building your tracking foundation. So if you found this really exciting and you started learning something new today, then hit the like button and also subscribe so that you don't miss any important parts in the upcoming training videos, because every part builds on the last. And if you want to really quit your 9-to-5 job and make a real living online with affiliate marketing, then this is the step-by-step system you need. Now that you have seen how Optin Dojo is the central command system of this entire affiliate marketing business, in the next video, I'm going to dwell deep into the Optin Dojo tracking tool, where we are going to see how to integrate Optin Dojo with your affiliate marketplaces like Warrior Plus and Explode. So stay tuned. Until then, keep building your online business and one email at a time.